Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Are you interested in writing the upcoming school teacher recruitments like HSTR, GPSTR, or are you aspirant who is preparing for TET which is conducted every year? Then this video is for you. We get many messages from aspirants who want to write these exams. Some of them are working teachers and some of them are students who are doing B.Ed and they want to prepare for TET, and some of them are in B.Ed, they have cleared TET and they want to prepare for GPSTR, and some are mothers who are having kids, they want to prepare for HSTR and GPSTR, and also they have to take care of their kid also, and some of the aspirants are also teaching, maybe they are in some PUC colleges and they want to prepare for high school teacher recruitment. So this video is for all the aspirants who are working, who are students, and who are mothers and who have to take care of their family, because many aspirants request us for a timetable. So in this video we are making sure that we give you a very good clarity on how to start preparing if you have not started it, and how to continue preparing if you are already preparing. Because nowadays news are coming up that the 10,000 recruitments are to be notified in next academic year. So keeping that in mind, aspirant who really want to win and get the government job of HSTR or GPSTR or want to clear TET, now this is the high time for all of you to start preparing if you have not started it. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel and also like our videos if you are liking our work, and also share it among other aspirants, and also you can join our Telegram channel. You will get the link in the description below this video, and try to watch this short video till the end, because by the end of the video you will get a clarity about how to prepare for these exams. Because making timetable is the first step of preparation for any exam. That's the reason why I am here to give you an idea about the study timetable for your exam. The clarity which I am giving you on timetable here is that nowadays so many news are coming about the teacher recruitments, right? Now till the next news, or maybe till the notification news, what you have to do, how you should prepare for your exam. See, even if you are a working aspirant, or even if you are a mother of a kid, or even if you are a student, you can follow this timetable. See, this is our version of the timetable. You can also change it as per your convenient. You can change the time as per your convenient. You can change the subject as per your convenience. Okay, now I will start with the working days. Now Monday to Friday, these days are working days, right? So what you can do on working days is you can study for 2 hours in the morning, that is 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. You can make it as 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. also. Okay, it is up to you. You have to choose your convenience. I am giving you a plot of the timetable. Okay, so preferably morning you give time for science. Okay, if you are a PM method aspirant in HSTR, you take physics in the morning and mathematics in the evening. If you are a GPSTR aspirant, divide that science into physics, chemistry and biology and make it in the morning. Mathematics evening 2 hours, that is 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. you should give for only mathematics. Okay, because mathematics is a subject where you have to practice and spend time together. Okay, so if you spend time with mathematics, then only you become perfect in it. If you are a CB method aspirant, then go for chemistry in the morning and go for biology in the evening. I am talking about HSTR. Okay, I will give you one example about how to distribute the topics. I will give you one table. See here, Monday to Friday I am giving you. This is just an example. You have to change the topics. You should follow the syllabus and change the topics. Okay. And where you will get the syllabus, you will get it in our Telegram channel. In fact, all our list of classes for paid classes are there. No, they all are the syllabus of that particular exam. Like our schedule for HSTR will give you the complete syllabus for HSTR PM, and HSTR CB schedule will give you the complete syllabus for chemistry and biology, and GPSTR, our list of classes is there for the paid course that you will get anywhere in the description below this video. In the Telegram channel also we keep posting. So that list in the GPSTR schedule, that is also the syllabus for GPSTR only. Okay, you can take that schedule and make your own timetable. That is one way of making the timetable. Very easily you can make it by following our schedule. Okay, now coming back to this example, for example, if you are doing maths in the morning, take one chapter like real numbers, and science in the evening, take chemical reactions and equations. Okay, I prefer doing science in the morning and maths in the evening. It's up to you. Okay, so like that only. On Tuesday you take polynomials and acids, bases and salts. On Wednesday you take pair of linear equations and life processes. On Thursday you take quadratic equations and electricity. On Friday you take arithmetic progression and the magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, so this syllabus is for GPSTR and TET actually. Okay, HSTR people, PM have only physics, maths, and CB have only chemistry, biology, and this is talking about paper 2. Okay, now in the same manner you can make a table for weekends also, but for weekends I am giving you different timings, because Saturday working aspirants will be having half day school, right? You come back in the afternoon only, so you will have little more time. So I am giving you 5 hours timetable on Saturday. What you can do is in the evening only, after coming from the school and getting free by having lunch and taking some rest, you can start from 3 o'clock. 3 to 5 you can do some mathematics or science, it's up to you. Then take some rest, because we cannot sit continuously for hours together to practice or to study, right? Preferably you can sit for 1 hour continuously, read or practice, then take some 5 to 10 minutes gap, and then again continue for another hour. Okay, that is also one very nice strategy. This way you will completely dedicate your time, because sitting for 2-3 hours and just wasting time without reading, that will not help you. Okay, you need to work qualitatively rather than quantitatively. Okay, so your quality of spending time should be very very good. Okay, now this was the plot for Saturday timetable. Okay, 3 to 5, then 6 to 8 in the evening. This you can change, you can vary. Main basic idea is you should take out 5 hours of time on Saturdays. Okay, on Sundays also you can take out 5 to 6 hours actually. Okay, so Sunday morning maybe 6 to 8 in the morning you can take science, and in the evening you can take out some 2 to 3 hours. Maybe from 6 o'clock you can start, you go on doing mathematics, then after getting tired of doing mathematics you go for paper 1. Okay, so this paper 1 you can do it on Saturdays also. Okay, you can do mathematics in the evening by 8 p.m. Once you get bored or you get tired by doing mathematics, go for paper 1. Okay, so basically what you have to do is you have to touch paper 1 every week, every weekend. Okay, you have to take out time for minimum 2 to 3 hours. Actually paper 1 has GK, mental aptitude and psychology and computer awareness and all that, right? So when you prepare for science and mathematics, you are indirectly preparing for mental aptitude and GK also, right? But still, because you have to focus on psychology also, I am giving you Saturday Sunday timings for that part of paper 1. Okay, so this is the timetable which I am trying to put in your mind, that you should take out time like this and prepare till the next news or till the news of the notification comes. Because once the notification comes or some financial approval news comes, at that time you will have to take out more time to prepare more rigorously. Till then you can follow this timetable. Okay, so aspirants who have not started preparing, this is a very very high time for you all to start preparing, and this video is a reminder for you all to don't waste time. Sit and start preparing, because these exams can change your life. Once you become a government teacher, then your life is literally settled, right? At that time you can just grasp knowledge and share knowledge, right? So that time will be very different, and that time will give you a lot of achievements in your life. So that's why please start preparing right from now. Okay. And for the syllabus and for the list of classes and for the schedule of our paid courses, you can join our Telegram channel. And also if you are interested to join our paid courses for HSTR, for GPSTR and TET, then you can contact us by mailing us atahar@gmail.com, or you can also message us in WhatsApp. Our number is 9110558369. So HSTR batch 7 is going on now, and GPSTR batch has just started. So aspirants who are interested can join our paid courses also. Thank you. All the best. Bye.